Hey guys, Henry Dustin here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a HD stream. This is a movie web app where users can watch movies, stream movies online, whether TV shows or latest movies or old movies also, you know. So and the beautiful part of this is that is a mobile friendly and is also a responsive for desktop, tablet and also mobile phones. So and is a slick, is a slick clean movies. So everything here is actually slick. So these you can hear, bring out the latest movies and any sort of that. So if you're going to stick around and watch how I'm going to showcase this to you, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Alright, so this is how it is now. So I think this is a HD stream, where users can, watch movie for real, like stream movies. This is just like not like a Netflix where you can pay some money to watch movies, stuffs like that. So I'm going to walk you down through on how this is. So let me say here you can say, let me say this Superman, and it will tell you everything about the movies, whether action or adventure or science fiction. And also you can also have that they have Megan came out in June 2025, the Fantastic Four also. So and and Kaiju number 8, April 24. And if you go down now, you can see they have trending movies. They have Demon Slayer, and they also have Fantastic Four, Superman, Dragon, and War to War. And the most sweetest part is that each one you hover into, let me say I hover into this one, you'll be seeing everything about the Demon Slayer, you know, seeing the release date and seeing the movie ratings. You will also be seeing the movie ratings. Also, the same thing is applicable to this one. You can also be seeing the name about it, the release date, and the movie rating. So if you go down, you can see they have popular movies. These the popular movies, and and as you are scrolling down here, you will also be seeing other stuff, other movies around there. So and these top rated movies, these are top rated movies like The Godfather, 12 Angry Men, all these stuffs like that. So if you go to TV serials, they also have TV serials and stuffs like that. So and they also have popular serials like this one is trending, and this one is sorry, so that one is trending, this one is trending, this one is popular, and this one is the most top rated. The most top rated movies, I think the most top rated movies they're talking about is those movies that have good rating, like Breaking Bad has 8.9, Arcane has 8.8, and Avatar also has 8.8. So if you head over to these movies, you can also see the movies like latest movies around now, and and as you are going down, they will be popping up, bringing out more movies and stuffs like that. So the same thing is applicable to TV serials and TV shows. As you are going down, the team will bringing out for you whether old movies, new movies, stuffs like that. You know. So and this place, your watch history is where any movie that you have already watched, and you try, let me say you're watching a season movie, then you want to continue from where you watch, you can head over to your watch history and then click it and start watching the movie. For me, but if you want to clear your history, you can clear it by here. So the sweetest part of this application is that you can also search for movies here. You can also search for movies here. Let me say I want to search for let me say Breaking Bad. Yeah, you can also search for Breaking Bad also, and they are going to be bringing out for you tons of movies applicable to breaking. Let me say if I click over this to this one, then it's going to be propped up in here. So let me say another one we are going to search for is The Boys. So let me say The Boys. Then as you can see it, this is the movie that I'm talking about. The Boys is a TV show, and it's super cool, guys. Like, it's super cool, guys. So let me say I want to search for something like Megan. I think Megan. No. I mean, I already forgot the name. Let me check. Let me try and remember the name. I think it's Megan. Yeah, Megan. 2023. I don't know whether the name of the movie is Megan. Stuffs like that. So okay, let's search for another one. Let's search for Invin. Oh, let me search for another one. That's Invincible. I think it's a cartoon. I don't know. I don't know if I spelled it right very well. This is a movie that I'm trying to bring out. Maybe I didn't spell it. That's Invincible. All right. Let's search for another one. Let me say Arcane. That was Arcane. Yeah, this is the movie that I'm talking about. So the sweetest part of this is that you can search for any movie or TV series, and once you see any movie or TV series there, you can also have access to it. So in here now, then you can see the background, you can see the picture, the name of the movies, and English, whether it's in English, and you can also see the rating. Then you can also see the lilies month, like the lilies month of the movie. You can see its animation, sci-fi, fancy, drama, action and adventure. Then you can see the details of the movie, and you can see the first air date, you can see the last air date, you can see the status, and you can see the original country. Then you can see the original language. Then you can see number of seasons, number of you can see also see number of episode created by. Then you can also see the cast, stuff like that. Then and also here you can see they have episode season 1 and 2. Let me see if I go over to season 2 and I play it. It's going to start playing stuff like that. So I'm waiting for the movie to play. So we're waiting for the movie to play. So this is it now. Then if I click on this play button, and here it is now. So the movie already start playing, and this is the sweetest part of it. So this is the sweetest part of it. So you can also make it you can also make it this thing, you can also make it full screen, stuff like that. So you can also make it full screen. So, and the sweetest part is that if you go over to your watch history, you can see it's already there now. So this is 1 episode. So even though if you go home now and search for, let me say I want to play this movie now, let me say I want to play this movie, then you now click play, then it's going to bring out this thing. So once you click the play button, and stuff like that, then you can also watch the movie by full screen. So, and the sweetest part is that if you go over to watch history, then you can see that the thing already appeared in your watch history. Even though that you reload this you reload it, let me say if you reload it, it's still going to be here unless you clear your history. So if you enjoy this thing, so if you enjoy what I showed you today, I really appreciate. You can support me by hitting the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll be providing the GitHub link for this this thing for this I'll be providing the GitHub link for the code, for the source code, so you can download it there, then you now customize it. Thank you very much, guys, for staying to this end and watch this movie. If you really